what is up? Namaste, welcome back to my channel Anjyog. It's Sanjana here. I hope you guys are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is gonna be about marathon stretching. Stretching is a crucial part of almost every workout and especially running. ये important है क्योंकि ये आपकी बायोमैकेनिकल एनर्जी को इंक्रीज करते हुए आपकी रनिंग स्ट्राइड्स को इम्प्रूव करते हुए आपको किसी भी जॉइंट इंजरी से बचाता है So बिना आपका वक्त और लेते हुए चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So we're gonna start off with some quad stretch. Grab your ankle and bring your heel towards the bottom and make sure that your quad muscle is nice and stretched. Next is calf raise. So make sure while doing this you're keeping your shoulder and core tight. Move your leg up, down, up and down and feel the stretch in your calves. Leg hip rotation. You have to come up to a balance on one leg and rotate your leg towards outwards from rest of your body. This action involves stability on one foot and activates the hip for a smoother run. So next is forward side bend. For that, you need to keep some distance in your leg. Start bending your body towards your forward, back and side. Forward, back, side. Easy peasy, right? Now, to open up your chest muscle, bring your hand towards your forward and start moving them in an open and close movement. Now, rotate your hand in full rotation. So the last exercise we are having is hamstring. Place one foot in front of the other. Front leg need to be straight and back leg slightly bent. And then bend forwards from the hips. Feel the stretch at your back.
So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press that bell icon. And yes, I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye.